A lot of people are facing issues while upgrading their ChatGPT premium account, and this is happening where the final checkout on the checkout page, even when the payment is done, even when the mandate is being created, the upgrade is not happening and the screen continues loading and loading. And I faced the same on my another account where I was trying to upgrade using UPI, and that's where I just tried it, but it kept loading and loading again. So in this video I'm going to share with you how you can resolve this issue and how to make the upgrade. So just head over to your ChatGPT, and as we do, like, head over to chatgpt.com, click on this upgrade for free, and then upgrade to Go. And this time, while on the checkout, this is where we'll be doing the work. Let it just load the checkout page. Yep, so checkout page is load, and last time we use UPI, so this time we are going to use our debit card. So you can use debit card or credit card, whatever you have. I'm using card right now with me, and I'll be just quickly entering the details here. Okay, so I entered my details, and now I will click on the subscribe button. And guys, when you're making the payment, make sure the checkout amount is 00, because you don't want to end up paying 399 there. It's free, so make sure you are not making the payment there, right? Uh, it's free, yeah. And you see, when I added the card there, this is like you're all done. You will either complete your payment or this checkout session has timeout, right? So I just got an email here. Let me just check that. Yep, so I just got an email. As you can see here, this is the email I got. Order is placed, and as you can see, this is right now, like, ChatGPT Go. I just subscribed here, and it's just like, if you see the timing, it's just recent 9:34, and this is when I made the payment. I got the email. So yep, this is the way working. UPI is not working, but if you do it using your card, this will work. So make sure you are using your card, and let me just show you here as well. So I am just opening ChatGPT again, and now if I see the plans here, let me just move to the plans. So same account, but if I go to plans, and if I see here, now I have ChatGPT 5 flagship. Let me just go to upgrade plans here. So yep, this is my current plan. See, I am now onto the Go plan. I use my card, and that's how I was able to resolve this issue. People will face issues when they are doing it using UPI, but if you are using your card, most probably this is going to work out and your issue will be resolved. And as you can see on my screen, I am now on the Go, and this one is my current plan now, right? Hope this was helpful, and hope I am able to resolve your issue. So if you found this helpful, make sure to leave a comment and leave a like on this video. Subscribe for more videos like this, and see ya guys. Enjoy the upgraded version of ChatGPT and make the best use case of it. Thank you. Have a good one.